my history in kind of bringing together my hobby work, my tool making, and my chair making to where I am today, I'd probably say it was really shaped by a path of exploration. My name is Caleb James. I'm a chair maker. So in this class, I look forward to showing you shaping components by hand, organic forms, how I like to use Origin and template making, to talk a little bit about maybe how you can approach chair design, and that's how to sharpen a card scraper efficiently and effectively. If you want some advice to get into chair making, I would probably recommend the path I took. Yeah, just exploring so many iterations. There's just so much to learn in that body of work. Take a lot of time and examine and look at chairs. Kind of absorb what's out there. Fill your mind with the potential and the broad range of examples. We can't continue to design new things if we don't take moments to play, but we can't continue to stay in this craftsman design world if we don't work. My approach and kind of philosophy to woodworking, if you're gonna make it your job, do it in a way that suits your lifestyle and that you can enjoy. Success is awesome, but don't do it at the sacrifice of what craft can give you in your life.